In 2016, James Cruz was at work when he got a phone call he'll never forget.
A debt collector calling me up, telling me, you owe thousands of dollars, $16,000, and you have to pay now.
The librarian was forced onto a repayment plan and for 4 years paid back a youth allowance debt he never actually owed.
Stressful, upsetting, scary, really scary.
For him and the 430,000 Australians wrongly pursued for more than $1.7 billion in debts generated automatically by the now defunct Robodebt scheme.
There has been untold suffering to hundreds of thousands of people.
After a lengthy legal battle, the federal court has approved a class action settlement. In a blistering judgment, Justice Bernard Murphy said Robodebt had exposed a shameful chapter in the administration of the social security system and a massive failure of public administration, which, he acknowledged, caused financial hardship, anxiety and distress, and in some cases, suicide.
To put it in perspective, $11,500 to me back then was 6 months' worth of wages. It was a lot of money.
We've apologised. The Prime Minister has said that himself for the harm, for the hardship, for the hurt that has been caused.
While the government refuses to accept legal liability, Justice Murphy's judgment makes it clear the Commonwealth unlawfully asserted the debts. And yet,
No senior public servant has lost their job. No minister has lost their job.
Robodebt was found to be illegal in November 2019, but it took the government another 6 months to scrap it and begin repaying the debts it had already recouped.
Will be reduced to zero.
I'm angry about the lack of accountability.
The settlement will cost taxpayers at least $1.8 billion in what the judge described as a huge waste of public money. He said it should have been obvious to those in power that the automated debt recovery scheme targeting some of the most vulnerable Australians was flawed long before it was abandoned. Jane Norman, ABC News, Canberra.